How to report hacked TikTok account. To get started, first of all, you need to open the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to this homepage. From here, you can view all the contents that are shared on TikTok. Then, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're in the profile page, tap on the profile name from here. Now, tap on Add Account. After that, you need to tap on this question mark at the top left corner. Once you're in this page, tap on the option Recover Your Account. Tap on the email section over here, or just select it from the suggestions. Then tap on this bar at the very bottom. Tap on this Request Support option. After that, select the option How to Recover My Account. Then, TikTok support will send you a reply. Select the option My account was hacked. Then tap on the second option here, which says I cannot log into the account because it has been hacked. Tap on this button Recover Account. So, by following these steps, you can easily report hacked TikTok account.